Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. I'm Tanisha and welcome to another Freebie Friday. Hey guys, I'm so excited to be back for another Freebie Friday. This is actually the first one of April, so I'm so excited. I have the money over here. So I believe this is 56. We'll count it. But I'm just so excited. So let's count what we have. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So $56. I think it was originally 55. I had 35 in rollover, and then of course my 20 I budgeted, but I found an extra dollar. Joys of unpacking after moving. So let's go ahead and get out our 6 savings challenges. I am hoping we will finish one that we're so close to finishing. So I'm excited. How's everyone's week been? Don't know what this week is going to look like when you're seeing this, because I do record this the week before, like on the weekend before the Friday. It just works out better for me, but hopefully everyone's having a great week. So let me make sure, as always, you guys can see. Okay, perfect. So let me go ahead. I have $20 and 5. So let's go ahead and blend those in. Okay, hopefully I did a good job of that. All right, so if you are new to my Freebie Friday, hi, I'm Tanisha. I use 6 savings challenges, and the way I've been playing is that every time I roll, that's which envelope I'm going to put it in, and I'll put in 2 bills for each. I think actually I'm going to try it a different way, and I actually saw this with Low at Soft Life Budgeting and K at Hey K Budgets. They actually go like in sequence, and how whatever it lands on is how many bills they put in. I think I'm gonna try that and see. Let's see how we do it. Why not switch it up, change it up, do something fun? I mean, that's the whole point of Freebie Fridays and savings challenges, is to make it fun. So let's try. Okay, so number 1 gets $2. Number that gets 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Four. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're definitely going to go through this very quickly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bills left. Oh, and that's exactly 5. Okay. This one definitely went a little quicker. Let's see if we finished. I do believe we finished 1, and then I think we're going to have some extra that we can roll again, possibly. So let's first see what we have. So first up, if I can get my savings challenge, is this cute savings challenge I got from Netty Budgets. And so in this one, we got a spicy 5 in there. So this one was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is great. We just started this one last week. So let's, each of the clovers is worth 2. And yes, I am still doing the ones for March. I just got so many cute ones, and I just want to use them. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That is great. So total in this savings challenge, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And this will save a total of $32. I don't know if you guys watched my last Freebie Friday, but we finished a total, I think we finished like 3 savings challenges last week, which was great. Next up is the savings challenge I got from Beezy Things. What would Blair Waldorf do? I love Gossip Girl. I didn't get into it until a couple of years ago, and I binged it and I loved it. So this one got 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's check off 1, 2, and 4. And this will save $21. So total in this one, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, next up is this cute pot of gold savings challenge from Sassy Beauty Budgets. She made the cutest ones. Oh, and it looks like we have 2 5s in this one. Okay, so this is one we just started last week. So we added 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 into this one. And each of the pots of gold is $2. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Is that what I said? 18. So we should have 20. Let's count. Okay, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, oops, 18, 19, 20. Yep, 20. And this will save $32. So, oh yeah, we make great progress rolling this way. This was a fun way. Just, change it up sometimes. Next up is this cute Tiana saving challenge from the Hopeful Budgeter. Unfortunately, she has left YouTube. So sad. We added in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 2, 4, 6, 7. Wait, no, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Hold on. We said 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we're so close to finishing this one. Okay. So each of these is worth 2. So 2, 4, 6, and 8. We're $2 away. Wow. Oh, wait. Gotta add all my money. So total in here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Wait, oh no, we're $1 away. I forgot. We actually had an extra dollar. I had an odd number in cash last week, and this one got it. So we're actually only $1 away, y'all. Wow. Okay. Next up is this Rainbows and Clovers. I got this from Star Budgets, and we added $4. This one I have a hard time just getting anything in here. So that is actually an odd number. So I made the Clovers 2 and the Rainbows 1. So let's check off one of the Rainbows and we'll just have an extra $1. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12 in here. This will save a total of 25. So we need 13 more to finish out this savings challenge. All right, our Lucky Charm savings challenge is our last one. And I can tell you guys now, we finished it. We did get a spicy 5. So this one, I only needed $2. And we actually added 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We only needed 2. I needed two. Actually, you know what? Let's see. Okay, so we have 5, 6, 7. So this should be $28. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, $28. I have this 5, but since I'm gonna roll again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's switch that out. So we are finished this savings challenge, guys. Yay! I was so hoping, I knew we were super close. I was so hoping we'd finish this one. And I quickly want to show you guys, I got some happy mail. And I need to open it now because I need it. Okay, so I got this. I told you guys I needed a pouch for my finished savings challenges. Oof. So I went searching and I remembered that Raylan at the Remarkable Dollar, and I think also Maddie, or Budget Maddie, both got some really cute pouches from someone. And I went digging through their YouTube channels and Instagrams and I could not find who it was. And so I reached out to Raylan and she was so kind and she pointed me to the direction of the shop, which was on vacation. I'm like, oh, but Raylan was so sweet. She reached out to her on Instagram and asked her, talked to her, and she was so kind and was willing to make this for me or send this to me, even though her shop was closed. So I so appreciate it, Lena. Thank you so much. So this is so cute. This is her thank you. Oh, and she named her. When you order, it's under O and L. Hold on, let me make sure I'm saying it right. O and L here, HERE. But her Instagram is Pepperlip Spooky. So here it is. Yes, her Etsy. This is all her information. So her Instagram is Pepperlip Spooky. I think that she said it's named after a cat. Her YouTube is ONL here, and her Etsy is onlhere.etsy.com. I'll have everything linked down below. These little cat stickers, so cute. I think cats are adorable. I'm just not a cat person, but I think they're so cute. And look at this jumbo paperclip with oh my gosh, this with the cat. That is so stinking cute. So I brought this out. So I got this cute completed savings challenge pouch. I'm so excited. So we're going to be putting in our completed savings challenges that we do for each month in here. I love it. Okay, enough of that. We do need to replace our savings challenge that we just finished. And I think I have one. I have quite a bit in here, but do some cute. Oh, this is a big one, but I still want to do it. Okay, this one. Oh, and I did not put the name on it. Hold on. I think this came with another one. I'll have to figure out where I got this one from. I know it was from Ko-Fi, but I'm not sure who it's by, and I did not write it on the back. So we're going to add this in to replace the one that we just finished. And we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 to roll with. So let's go ahead and put our savings challenges back out here. And this time we're going to roll my normal way where we're putting in two bills for each envelope. So let's see who's getting 3, 2, 3 again, and I got 2 more, 5. Okay, so these did not get anything else, and so first, let's do what would Blair Waldorf do from Beezy Things. We added 2 more dollars. So we now have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And let's scratch off. Oops. We'll mark off these 2 ones. So that is great. I'm gonna really try to get a good amount of rollover in this next week. So I really want to finish. Like, I'm like pumped. This gets me so excited doing these Freebie Fridays to really try not to spend everything in my wallet, because then that helps go towards my Freebie Fridays. So this one from Netty Budgets with a cute bunny and clovers got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll mark off 2 more clovers. Okay, and so in here we have a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 in this one from Netty Budgets. So we need 14, of course, to finish. And last up is our rainbows and clovers. We got 2 more dollars. So actually, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And because we had that, dang it. Oh, we can do another, because that's 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, we'll do another rainbow. That's 14. So now we don't have that $1 rollover in here. So we still need 3, 6, 9, $11 to finish this one. So they're all pretty high up there with the exception of the Tiana Savings Challenge, but I'm so excited. And we completed a savings challenge. So that is absolutely awesome. I'm excited to start this high one, even though it's $60. It'll probably take a while to finish, but we can do it. We can do it. We can do it. So guys, that is everything from this Freebie Friday. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And until next time, guys, bye.